Hi, my name is Jennifer Stewart, owner of Gateway Productivity, and my 2021 NAPO session is Business Productivity Apps, Asana, Slack, and Acuity Scheduling. What are the best apps for my business? We hear this every day from our clients, and I'm sure you do too. And although every solution is obviously customized to the client, the goal of this session will be to present one set of apps that can be good for you or for your client for well-rounded business productivity. There will be a live training on Asana for project management, Slack for internal messaging and organizing ideas, and Acuity Scheduling for prospect and client scheduling. In addition, there will be multiple examples of how I use these apps in my business and then how I've helped my clients implement these apps as well. In this session, attendees will discover how to navigate and productively use Asana, Slack, and Acuity Scheduling, how project management, internal messaging, and scheduling tools can boost business productivity, and the different use cases for implementing these apps with businesses of all sizes. Apps have become an essential part of our lives, and it's crucial for the productivity industry to keep up to date with the latest and greatest. This presentation will benefit organizing and productivity professionals who work with business clients and or want to be more efficient and productive in their own company using these apps. I look forward to seeing you at NAPO 2021.